Here I have Samsung Galaxy A5 2017, and let me show you how to insert here Nano SIM and micro SD card. So at the very beginning, let's start by pressing the power key. Let's choose power off and tap power off again, just to confirm the whole operation. Afterwards, you need to open the special trays. So let me just prepare some thumber tag or special eject tool, and let's start by inserting the micro SD. So here we have the tray that you have to open. As I said, let me open this tray by using some thumber tag. Just press it into this hole. Let me just find the hole. Right here, of course. And let's remove the whole thing. And as you can see here, you can insert the micro SD, so let me do it. Here I have the micro SD with the characteristic edge right here. Let's put this card in that position. And let's put the whole thing into your device. Let's press it to the end. And now let's go to a tray for the SIM card. This is the tray. Let's open this tray by using the tool one more time. Let's press it right here. Let's remove it from the phone. And here you can insert the Nano SIM. So here I have my SIM. And now let's insert the whole thing right here. Push it to the end, and the device is ready to be used. So let's press power key. Let me check if my card works properly. The Samsung Galaxy A5 is turning on. Let's wait until the home screen just pops up. If you have a pin to your SIM, you need to enter your pin. Let me do it, but it means that our SIM card is working properly. Let's now open the list of all applications, choose settings. Let's scroll down and choose the device maintenance. Here you can select storage, and as you can see, the device is reading our SD card, so it simply means that both cards are working properly. So thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave thumbs up under the video.